Bonjour classe, aujourd'hui c'est mardi le 25 septembre. This of course is what we have done today. So very first thing, as usual, we did our warm-up for periods 4th, 6th, and 7th. This is for you, so I'm going to look at our warm-up. All right, today's warm-up had to do with answering these questions, okay? Quel jour sommes-nous? What day is it? Obviously, everyone today should have written nous sommes mardi, or you could have said c'est mardi, but there was no other possible answer. Tu regardes la télé? Do you watch TV? You could have answered oui, je regarde la télé, or non, je ne regarde pas la télé, with the ne and the pas. Tu danses au lycée? Do you dance at school? Oui, je danse au lycée. Non, je ne danse pas au lycée. One of those. Yes, I dance. No, I don't dance at school. Tu aimes la pizza? Do you like pizza? Oui, j'aime la pizza. Ou non, je n'aime pas la pizza. So that is what we did for our warm-up for periods 4th, 6th, and 7th. Now, pre-AP, we did not do today's warm-up because we got a little bit behind. So we're going to do today's warm-up tomorrow with tomorrow's warm-up. So periods 4th, 6th, and 7th. All right, so this is what we did. We reviewed our classroom objects. So if I go back here, all right, I'm going to go ahead and delete all of the, or not delete, but X out of them, because I want to show you that this stuff is on my webpage. Oops, except for one more. Just a second. Okay, so we reviewed our classroom objects, school supplies. So if you go to French 2 Pre-AP Notes and Activities, you scroll down, you will find under New Stuff, you will find Classroom Objects, School Supplies, PowerPoint. So we went through this. All right. Écoutez et répétez. Un sac à dos. Un sac à dos. Un cahier. Un cahier. Un livre. Un livre. Un classeur. Un classeur. Un dictionnaire. Un dictionnaire. Une feuille de papier. Une feuille de papier. Une trousse. Une trousse. Une règle. Une règle. Un crayon. Un crayon. Une gomme. Une gomme. Un feutre. Un feutre. Un stylo. Un stylo. Une salle de classe. Une salle de classe. Un ordinateur. Un ordinateur. Un ordi. Un ordi. Un ordinateur portable. Un ordinateur portable. But most people don't say that whole thing. They just say un ordi for short or un ordinateur for both of them. Un bureau. Un bureau. Une élève. Une élève. Un élève. Un élève. Une fenêtre. Une fenêtre. Une carte de France. Une carte de France. Une pendule. une pendule, une porte, une porte, une poubelle, une poubelle, une chaise, une chaise, une affiche, une affiche, une table, une table, une prof, une prof, un prof, un prof, un taille-crayon, un taille-crayon, un pupitre, un pupitre, un tableau, un tableau, un DVD, un DVD, un CD, un CD, un lecteur de DVD, un lecteur de DVD, une stéréo, une stéréo. All right, so we went through the PowerPoint, and then I passed out this handout right here, okay? And of course, the printouts are in black and white, and you'll have one in your absent folder. And we filled in these blanks. So this is what you should have as your vocabulary. And I'm just going to go ahead and type them in for you. Un bureau, une pendule, and let me go ahead, I'm going to pause this and do it real quick. Okay, so I went ahead and I filled in all of the missing vocabulary. So I passed this out, and so now when you get yours, you can come back on my webpage and pull this up and fill in the missing vocabulary. All right, now also we talked about prepositions of location. And we did a practice thing where we used these prepositions. Écoutez, répétez. Sur, sur, which means on. Sous, sous, under. Dans, dans, in. Devant, devant, in front of. Derrière, derrière, behind. Avec, avec, with. So we went through the vocabulary, we filled in the missing blanks, and then we practiced pronouncing our prepositions. Okay, so once we got that done, then we went to the prepositions of location, PowerPoint, and we went through this PowerPoint, and we just did an activity where we tried to decide which ones were which. So for this one, les livres sont devant ou dans le sac à dos. The students had to decide, were the books in front of or in the backpack? So you had to look at your prepositions once we copied them down and decide. And then they had to say the sentence. Voilà les livres. Les livres sont, if you guessed right, dans, le sac à dos. Okay. Le crayon. Then we had to figure out where was the pencil. The pencil was either on or under the table. Le crayon est sur ou sous la table. Sous is under, so le crayon est sous la table. John est derrière ou devant Alex. John est derrière Alex. John's behind Alex. Lucy est devant ou derrière Alex. There's Lucy, there's Alex. Lucy est devant Alex. Alex est devant ou derrière Lucy. Here's Alex. Here's Lucy. Alex est derrière Lucy. La feuille de papier est devant ou dans la poubelle? La feuille de papier est dans la poubelle. La chaise est devant ou derrière la table? Now this one was a little bit ambiguous. I at first thought it should be behind, derrière la table, but some people thought it was in front of, devant. So this one could be either or. L'ordinateur est sur ou sous le bureau? L'ordinateur est sur le bureau. Le bureau est devant ou derrière la fenêtre? Le bureau est devant la fenêtre. Le stylo est sur ou sous les feuilles de papier? Well, if you look, le stylo est sur les feuilles de papier. Le stylo est avec ou derrière le cahier? Le stylo est avec le cahier. Les crayons sont derrière ou dans la trousse? Les crayons sont dans la trousse. All right, so we did a practice with the prepositions. Then, that was all we had time for. So, tomorrow we will do more things with our vocabulary and our prepositions. Au revoir, à demain.